Hi everyone, welcome to Pepper Cloud. Today we are showing you how to integrate WhatsApp Cloud API with the Pepper Cloud CRM. So now let's get started. So we will be now going to set up WhatsApp Cloud API. So the very first step is to set up Facebook developers account. So now just log in into this Facebook developer app. Now go to this My Apps button at the header. So this will be the Meta for Developers app. Now you can create app by clicking on this Create App button. Select an app type which is business and click Next button. So we have to enter the app name. So if you have any existing business account, you can select that business. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Now create app. Enter the password again. Now the app is successfully created. So let's scroll down to set up WhatsApp. Click onto this setup button. Choose your business account if you have any existing. Otherwise, let Facebook create an account for you. Click continue. So your business account is created. Now get onto this getting started option. So you can see here that Facebook has provided a test number for testing and to sending a messages. So now we are just testing by adding a recipient number here. Click onto this manage phone number list. Click text. So now I have received a verification code and now I'm just clicking onto this next button and send message. So yes, I have received a message from WhatsApp from this Facebook number. Yes. So right now, what I wanted to do is adding my phone number from which I can send the messages to my clients. Scroll down, add a number on the step 5th, click onto this add phone number button. Enter your legal business name, enter the business email ID, enter the business website. Now choose a country, click onto this next button. Now choose a category. And click onto this next button. So now you are able to add your phone number for WhatsApp. Choose your phone number. Click next. So you will be receiving a verifying code to verify your number. Click onto this next button after verifying your phone number, and now your business account has been created. So now we have added successfully the phone number. Now there is need to generate a permanent token, and which token which has to be entered in the CRM. So let's get started. Click onto this app dashboard. Go to this business settings icon. Now click onto this System Users under User tab. Click Add Users. Accept all the terms and conditions. Now write your system username and select admin. System user role should be admin. Create system user. Accept all the terms and conditions. Now your system user has been successfully created. Now we have to add asset. Click onto this add asset button. Go to the apps. Select your app. and go to the Full Control Manage app. Keep the toggle on and click onto the Save Changes button. Now generate a new token from this button. Select your app in the drop-down choose WhatsApp Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. Generate the token. The token has been generated successfully, so copy this particular token Now open your Pepper Cloud CRM. Go to the setting icon and click onto this integration button. Click onto the channel integrate. Create a new channel from create new button. Choose WhatsApp Cloud API and proceed with the next button. Enter the token in the very first field, access token. Now go to the Facebook developer account and copy the phone number ID from the icon. Paste the phone number ID into the Pepper Cloud CRM. Copy the WhatsApp business account ID from the Facebook developer account and paste it into the CRM. Click onto the next button to proceed. Copy the callback URL from the CRM itself. Go to the Facebook developer account. Scroll a bit more down. Go to this configure webhooks on the step number 3rd. Click onto the edit button. Paste the callback URL over here. Go to the CRM again. Copy the verify token and paste it into the Facebook developer's account. Verify and save. Go to the manage button. Subscribe the messages. Now go to the CRM account. Click onto the next button. Add a channel name. Now click onto this finish button. Your channel has been successfully added. Scroll down. Here you can see that your WhatsApp Cloud API has been successfully integrated with the CRM, and you can start sending messages to your leads and prospects from your CRM. Thank you.